Hi everyone, we're going to look at adding fractions with a common denominator. So here we have two examples. The first question or example we're going to go through is 2 over 7 plus 3 over 7. Now, if we look at, our denominator for the first fraction 2 over 7 is 7. And our denominator for the second fraction for 3 over 7 is 7 as well. So there is a common denominator. The two fractions both have 7 as their denominator. So very simply, all we do is we put our division sign there, our divisor, and then we put our common denominator, which is 7. All we do from there is just add the numerators. So the numerator of the first fraction is 2 plus numerator of the second fraction is 3. So we get 5 over 7. And this is our answer here. Now looking at the second question, we have 3 over 10 plus 2 over 10. Again, both fractions have a common denominator of 10. So they both have a common denominator of 10. Once you have that common denominator, now we're just going to add the top numbers because they already both have a common denominator of 10. So 3 plus 2, so we get 5 over 10. If we wanted, we could reduce this fraction. We can say one number can go into 5 and 10. Well, 5 can go into 5 and 10. So we could divide the top by 5 and divide the bottom by 5. And we will get 5 divided by 5 is 1. And then 10 divided by 5 is 2. So we actually get 1/2. And that's it. It's very simple to add fractions with a common denominator.